Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm coming to you from fabulous Las Vegas. Right now I'm on the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip at the Mandalay Bay. I'm staying across the street for the week at the Flamingo, but I got a comped room, so I figured I can't really stay here because of scheduling issues, but I'll show you the room at least, and perhaps the pool if I can get in. I know I can get in as a guest, I'm just not sure if they're going to check bags and check for camera equipment, so we'll find out later in this video, I guess. In the meantime, I'm going to head to a kiosk, get my room key, and let's go check out the room, shall we? MGM just recently changed their policy on video recording in the hotels and casinos, and I'm really glad they did that. Once in a while I get paranoid that I'm being followed or I'm being watched on camera or something like that, and I guess it comes with the territory. But I'm glad they lightened up. I feel more comfortable in an MGM property now than any other properties that I visit and record in. So thank you, MGM, I appreciate that. And so do other vloggers here on YouTube. By the way, if you haven't figured it out, the Mandalay Bay is an MGM property.
I always like the Mandalay Bay. It's a beautiful hotel and casino complex. One of the best pools, by the way, on the Las Vegas Strip. And speaking of pools, full disclosure, there will be no pool scenes here in this video. The pool complex is so huge, it needs its own video, so that'll be coming up shortly on the New York channel. Anyway, Mandalay Bay has tons of restaurants and a couple new ones right now, and they also have a ton of shopping. There's actually a small mall that connects this building to the Luxor. The Luxor and the Excalibur are MGM properties, and they're connected via a free tram from the Mandalay Bay, or you can just take the pathways, the inside pathways that connect them all.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
They actually gave me an early check-in, which I didn't have to pay for, so I appreciate that because, like I said, I'm on a schedule. But that explains all the housekeeping mess in the hallways right now because it's kind of early.
This is one of those rare instances of a Las Vegas Strip hotel and casino with a coffee maker in the room. Unfortunately, you'll have to pay for it. guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And remember, clicking on that thanks button will get you a shout out on an upcoming video.
Well, needless to say, this is a beautiful room, and I always wanted to check out the Mandalay Bay. But again, the location is not that great, but I just love the property, so it's just a shame where it is. But I got this room comped, so I'm giving you guys the room tour, and even the screensaver is beautiful. Some beautiful music. It's making me sleepy, and I got a lot of work ahead of me. As a matter of fact, I can't stay here tonight. Gotta head back to the Flamingo, but really is a beautiful room. I'm gonna head down to the pool area now, one of the best pools on the Strip as far as I know, and I've seen it before. I haven't been in the pool area, but I've seen it through glass. But now that I have a room key, I can go on the pool property and check it out. I'm gonna film that video on my phone because they go through bags and I just can't have any camera equipment when I go into pool areas. So I'm gonna do the best I can, checking out the pool with my phone camera, which should be fine. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm heading downstairs to check out the pools. See you soon.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.